I have been seeing many patients in my OPD who are coming to me with joint pains like knee joint pains, multiple joint pains, wrist joint pains, back pains. And typically all these joint pains they have developed after an episode of fever. And of late this viral fever season is so bad, it is so rampant. Almost more than 50% of our population are suffering from these viral fevers, may it be dengue, chikungunya, influenza, flu. So these viral fevers are rampant, and post-viral fever after 4 to 5 days, patients are developing these joint pains and they are coming to my OPD. This is nothing but post-viral arthralgia is what most of them are suffering from. This post-viral arthralgia is nothing but an inflammatory response which your own immune system develops against the virus. And when your immune system is fighting against the virus, there will be inflammation in the joints, notably in the hands, in the wrists, in the ankle, in the back, which causes this post-viral arthralgia. So the symptoms of this post-viral arthralgia is joint pains affecting multiple joints. There will be stiffness after a period of rest, stiffness of all your joints after you wake up from the bed. There will be generalized weakness, fatigue, and these joint pains after the viral fever, that is post-viral arthralgia, they are persistent for few weeks, sometimes even few months. The treatment for this post-viral arthralgia includes simple medication like painkiller medication, avoiding strenuous activities, and simple exercises like walking, swimming, and moving all your joints, keeping your joints mobile can reduce the symptoms of this post-viral arthralgia. And sometimes if the pains are not resolving with this painkiller medication, your doctor may start a short course of steroids which might be needed for refractory cases. That means those patients who are not resolving with medicines and physiotherapy. So if you are suffering from this post-viral arthralgia, nothing to worry, the symptoms will subside within a few weeks or sometimes a couple of months. If the symptoms are not subsiding, a simple medication, over-the-counter medication, meeting your doctor and taking the medication and physiotherapy should help. Eventually, you will come out of this post-viral arthralgia symptoms. Thank you.